Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a Trello board. So let's get right into it. When you sign up for Trello and when you first enter Trello, you will be prompted to create your first board, and you can fill it out that way. However, if you've already created boards, you want to create a new one, you can very easily do that. Now, I'm in the boards menu over here. As you can see, you can here click on the plus and you'll be able to create a board through this, or you can click create and either create a board, or you can start with a template. If I click create a board, the same menu happens. You just select a board title, you select a picture, you can press here on the three dots to select more, and you can see more photos or see more colors if you want. Then you need to select the visibility of the board, and then you can click create. Or if we go start with a template, as you can see here, you have these templates which you can easily use, or you can click explore templates to explore for more. So for example, I'll use the Kanban template. Just select that, select the visibility, keep the cards, and click create. And once that's created, as you will see, the entire board will be created for you. As you can see, you have some example cards if you used a template, and you can very easily use that for whatever you want. There are templates for most things that you can think of, so I would recommend you explore those if you need help. But for now, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.